Hey YouTube, it is Zero, Mr. Magic Zero. And today I'm going to be showing you this magic box trick. Okay, first, you're going to need this box from that magic kit that I showed you later. Now, this is a mysterious vending machine. First, I'm going to lift these. Okay. And so when I pushed it out, it was clear. So I'll see right there. Okay. Now look. Now you insert a quarter, true quarter, some juice. That's some good juice. Right now, I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay. First, how to do this. Before the trick, you're going to want a quarter and this cup that comes with the packet, and some juice inside it, and a special flat. Okay. Hold the juice. Okay. And just hold it. Okay. And on this side, there's nothing but this side. Before the trick, you get the quarter, put it inside, and you put this inside there. Now this is before the trick. Then you turn it to the side that has a special latch in it, which I'll show you right now. If you can see, then that thing is in here. Try to show you. Right there. That's the latch that holds this juice. Okay, so first, show that towards your audience. Make sure that you have nobody behind you. And you're going to let gravity rotate this down like that. So now the juice is like that. Now you're going to do, push it out like that. You see? Nothing's in there. See? Front latch, put it in. Then you let gravity again pull back. You have to do that very carefully so that you don't spill any water. Next, you're going to take a quarter, put it in, grab the juice, and there it is. If you could see my 3 videos before this, they were close to like 3 minutes, and this one is 3 minutes. So yeah, that's how much. It only takes like 1 minute to learn all these tricks that I'm teaching you. And if you really want to learn this magic kit, then subscribe to me, and I might get it sent to you. Bye. This is wait, I have to turn it off. This is Zero, Mr. Magic Zero. Peace out, and don't forget to subscribe.